So the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge continues, and in today's video I will share another free app that I'm using to earn some free Bitcoin every single day. So the goal of this challenge is to accumulate some Bitcoin, and we are trying to go from having no Bitcoin at all the way to having one full Bitcoin using a ton of different apps, from mining platforms to free mobile games to other things that I'm gonna share in the next video. And now let's go over to the computer screen so I can show you exactly how much Bitcoin we have accumulated so far. So this is the spreadsheet where I'm tracking all the data, and so far we have accumulated $100.77 worth of Bitcoin. But now let's add to this balance by cashing out even more Bitcoin earnings from the Go mining platform, and then I'll tell you about this free game that allows you to earn Bitcoin every single day. Now we are inside of my Go mining dashboard. As you can see, I have a couple of different miners. My power is currently 30.15 terahashes, and when we click on rewards, you will see that every single day I am earning some Bitcoin. Right now it is roughly $1.78, $1.80 worth of Bitcoin. We are getting closer and closer to making $2 a day worth of Bitcoin. Hopefully in the next couple of days we'll reach that threshold. But as you can see, consistent payouts in Bitcoin daily. So in our Bitcoin wallet, you will see that we have $13.01 worth of Bitcoin, and that is 0.0001143 Satoshis. Not bad. So the first thing we're going to do is press withdraw. We are going to select the first option, and then this will give us two choices: the fast way to withdraw Bitcoin, but they're going to charge us a little bit of BTC, or the free way, zero fees. That is what we are going to select. It can take a couple of hours longer, but we are in no rush. We want the max amount of Bitcoin that we can possibly get. And right here we're going to press max, and then we are going to press next, and this is how much Bitcoin we are going to receive into our wallet. Cold storage, guys. You want to take your crypto off of the exchanges, off of the platforms, off of the apps, into your wallet. That is where it will be the safest. So if you want a cold storage wallet that is very secure, I have a link for one in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And now let's press next. Let's confirm the withdraw. Alright, so our withdrawal has been confirmed, and in a couple of hours our Bitcoin is going to be in our wallet. And now we are going to add the extra Bitcoin that we just withdrew from the Go mining platform into our spreadsheet. Now our total earned Bitcoin is 0.0096589 Satoshis, and let's see how much that is currently worth at the current price. So that is worth $113.78. So let's quickly update this. $113.78. So now that we have made some more Bitcoin, let me show you the app that I was talking about. So the app is called Bitcoin Miner. I will have a link for it in the description box below if you want to give it a try. So this app is absolutely free to download. You can download it anytime you want, and you can start earning some Satoshis. Obviously, this app is not going to make you rich overnight, but it is another free way to accumulate some Bitcoin. So when you first open the app, you will see that there are a lot of different islands, a lot of things to do inside of this game. The goal of this game is to pretty much upgrade the power on these so-called miners. None of these are real miners. It is just a way to farm for ads. So they show ads, and the profits that they make from those ads, they share it with the users of the game in Bitcoin. As you can see right now, you can literally upgrade all the sides. The more you upgrade, the more you earn, and the faster you'll be able to unlock new tokens and new islands. The goal is to literally unlock all of these islands and have each island mining away, earning you some Bitcoin. So as you can see, I have these three unlocked, but the big city one, I have it unlocked, but I don't have enough tokens. So I have to literally upgrade all these islands first in order to get more tokens, in order to get more real Bitcoin. As you can see, we have unlocked this one just now. There are multiple ways to earn with this app. As you can see, they have the daily drop. This is your daily check-in. Every single day that you open the app, you'll be able to earn some free Bitcoin, some free tokens in order to speed up your upgrades, in order to earn more. Also, you can also tap away. As you can see right here, the more you tap, the more of these coins you earn, and then the more of the tokens you'll be able to unlock, earning you Bitcoin along the way. So I just cashed out like 5-10 minutes ago, but you'll be able to cash out up to 330 Satoshis every single day. The more you are active on this app, the more Bitcoin you can potentially earn. One thing that I do want to mention, you have two ways of cashing out your Bitcoin. One of them is being straight to your Cash App account or to the ZBD wallet. That is what I personally use in order to withdraw Bitcoin from this app. I'll also have a link for the ZBD wallet in the description box below. So when you open the ZBD wallet, it will look something like this. And as you can see, I have already earned 5,372 Satoshis, which comes out to $6.32 worth of Bitcoin. Obviously, guys, I did not earn this in one day. It literally took me almost a full month to earn $6.32. Obviously, I'm not on here like 24/7 playing this app. I'm logging in a couple times a day for like a couple of minutes, and that is it. But $6.32 is not bad. It could be more, but in my opinion, it is still not bad when it's absolutely free. I haven't cashed it out yet, but I will cash it out in the next day or two, and I will add it to the overall earnings in July. So we have another $6.32 coming to the total balance. This game, there's going to be a lot of tapping in order to earn some Satoshis, but let me share a couple of tips of how you can earn even more Bitcoin with this app. One of the best ways is by clicking the grocery cart on the very bottom, and then you're going to have to find 5 tokens. Every time you find the one, you click it and it will add to your balance. This is one of the easiest ways to earn some Satoshis in this game, and you can earn anywhere between 10 to 20 Satoshis by simply pressing and finding them. They hide them all over the front page, so you have to look carefully in order to find them. It literally takes 2 seconds to find them, and then you earn some Bitcoin. Another way to earn even more is by selling your power. As you can see right here, every time you sell, you'll be able to earn some Satoshis, and it will speed up the entire process next time. And then you'll be able to earn even more. So every couple of days, simply sell and start building your miners over and over again with a higher multiplier. Obviously, I have already mentioned the daily drop. Every single day you go in and you have a chance to earn some Bitcoin. Another way to earn is by playing the mini games inside of the game. As you can see, when we click on this one, it will take us to another mini game that will allow us to earn some Satoshis. As you can see, we can press right here. We're going to claim it, and then we're going to claim 15 extra Satoshis by simply playing this game. As you can see right here, we are going to upgrade some more. And then once the bar on top fills back up, we will be able to unlock another level. As you can see, level 10 gives you 100 Satoshis. This game only lasts a day and a half before a new one begins. So you have to be very fast in order to upgrade the most in order to claim that 100 Satoshi mark. So every single day, you can easily make 100 to 300 Satoshis by simply playing this game. Honestly, guys, this game is not going to be my big focus in this challenge. This is just another way to earn some extra Satoshis in order to get the ball rolling, in order to start accumulating Bitcoin. But it is always good to have it, accumulate a couple of Satoshis every single day and watch them stack up. So if Bitcoin hits $500,000 or $1 million per coin, these Satoshis that we are earning right now will be worth a nice chunk of money. So every Satoshi counts in my opinion. Also, in the next video, I will be sharing another free way to earn some Bitcoin. Don't worry, it is not Bitcoin mining. It is not a free mobile game, but something even better that will allow us to earn a lot more Bitcoin than what we are earning right now. Best of all, it is absolutely free as well. Stay tuned for that video. So that is all I have for this quick little video. If you want to join the challenge and start accumulating some Bitcoin yourself, all the links will be in the description box below. Make sure to check them out. And as always, subscribe, drop a comment, and see you in the next video. Peace out.